Hello and welcome back to some more Spy Family. Today we are getting into episodes 5 and 6, I think, of season 2. I always forget to check these things before I start the video, and it makes me look dumb. But aside from that, we're getting into this this next set of episodes, and I saw a comment saying that these next set of episodes start a new arc. So I'm excited for that. I'm excited to see what is in store for us in there, because we've been just following the family around, seeing like what they, day in the life of the Forger family. That's basically what we've been getting the past few episodes. So I'm excited to get into a new arc, and I know this one, the title of this one is Plan to Cross the Border, which sounds insanely important. So I'm excited to get into this, and yeah, that's gonna do it for the intro. Let's go ahead and get straight into the episode. Oh, okay, this seems nice. God damn. What? Whoa, okay. His face is, I don't want to be mean, but his face looks weird. He's got great hair though. Oh shit. Bro, you can't catch her off guard like that. Come on. Oh, that's different. I mean, you're probably still going to be killing people, but it's in service of someone else. I guess that's kind of what she does anyway, but whatever. Sounds easy enough. Oh, is that? Oh shit, there he is. Okay, he's just sleeping on the train. Why does he keep calling him that? No one except him calls Lloyd that. No, Anya. Anya, no. Get it. Get it, Anya. Yo! She did it! Oh, that's sick. So are they actually about to go on a cruise? That's not gotta be, that can't be good, right? You're going around killing people on a boat with her daughter and husband there at the same time. Go on the cruise! Go on the cruise! Go on the cruise! Yes! Oh, they're on a train, okay. God, cruise ships are fucking huge. Dude, the Titanic was once the biggest boat, right? I don't know if it was the biggest. Like, biggest cruise ship. I could just be pulling that out of my ass. I don't actually know. Yeah, that's not an Anya game room. That's not an Anya game room. And it's garbage. Yeah. Oh, damn, yeah, she does look completely different. Holy shit, I did not notice that. Yeah, do you already knew that, Yor? Right?
家族がこの船に乗ってる。はい、夫と娘が。父、早く探検を終わらせないと船。
What the fuck? Anya! You can't just say something like that. Oh god.
気持ちいい。
Just an outfit. Okay.
これ。
Hey, she looks good, alright? I will say, I absolutely hate the ocean, but I do love cruises. I've been on a few cruises in my life, and they're fun. I've also been diving before, which is kind of ironic, but I hate the ocean. Oh no! No! Oh, that's bad. Right? She's not the one that planted that there, was she? Bro, what the fuck is going on? I don't like it. I don't like it. I feel like my first like initial thought of like, you know, seeing him and realizing that he's looking for them. Maybe he's the dad. I don't know. They did say that the rest of the family got killed. But I don't know. I don't know. Let's just see where it goes. I don't want to linger on this too long. Let's just get into the next episode.
Yeah, ぜひそのホテルでも食べてみたいですよ。おいしいです。緊張で味しね。
I can't taste a thing. What? What do you mean you can't taste when you're nervous? Is that a thing? Is that actually a thing that you can't taste when you're nervous? I've never had that before.
3日目にリゾート島に寄港するそうじゃない。あなたたちも水入らずで楽しめるといいわね。
That would be nice. I like this lady. Oh god, and then it just cuts to Oh god. He's just standing there. Oh, that's great. Now you gotta change rooms. Look at that. Oh, he just killed him, didn't he? Oh, yeah, he fully just killed him. All right. And dump his body into the ocean. I mean, hey, where else are you gonna put it on a cruise ship? Other than outside the cruise ship. Oh, fuck no. Nope, nope. That ain't room service. That ain't room service. Yeah, nope. God, dude, this guy's face. Oh, he's got the darts. Nice. Oh, dang. Nice, Yor.
情報も漏れている。この部屋は放棄します。二等船室にいくつか空きがあります。あなたは今すぐ3人を連れて。
Oh no, they're gonna have to move down to third class and then they're gonna meet up. That's what's gonna happen, right? They're gonna get found in second class and then they're gonna move to third.
護衛についてるのがもしガーデンのやつだったら一筋縄じゃいかない。協力プレートいかないかみんな。もちろん仲間同士での争いは。
This man's with the buck teeth over here.
情報は常に共有すること。
Why do all their faces look so weird? That guy's mouth is like turned into Joker or some shit. He's got a permanent smile. Okay. Wait. I missed what he said. I was too busy making fun of him. Okay, yeah. Definitely kill him. Yeah, no, fuck that guy. Is she gonna flick the button at them and knock him out? I would love to see that. Please, please do that. Oh. Yup. Yup. Knocked him out with a fucking button, bro.
にしてもそこかしこに盗聴器が仕掛けられているが
Dude, he's noticed the wiretaps?
普通親なら買ってやるもんだろう。怪しいやつめ。さてはスパイか。
You
どっちだ。普通の親は買うのか買わんのか。だってこれどう
I mean, honestly, it depends on the parent. It's a 50-50.
女とクソガキ合わせて40万ダルク。貴様らままごと殺し屋にくれてやるものか。この鎖釜のバーナビー。狙った獲物は必ず刈り取る。
Anya, pretend to get kidnapped again. That worked last time.
アーニャ城のケアもストリクスのうちだ。
ハンドラーは見抜いていたのだ。故にこの家族旅行という名の和平工作任務を俺に課したのだ。成し遂げねば。
父いつも待
He's always, yeah. When it comes to Anya and Yor, yeah. But when it comes to being a spy, nah, he's great.
父あそこのイカさん模様のズボンも
この店にある衣料品。
They're both being so serious about it now, but they're having fun.
いい感じの格好になる
I pray that you come out looking cool. Me too, Anya. Me too.
あれバトルしない
Oh, damn. He just came out with the holy shit. All right.
直前まで殺気を感じなかったこの方強い
Dude. Okay. I am curious as to what everyone else on this boat is about to say to this. Because they're just duking it out right in the middle of the shopping promenade. So, something's gotta go wrong, right? This is not gonna go well. This is not gonna go well. But yeah, there we go. There was episodes 5 and 6 of season 2. I am really excited about this new arc. I'm glad that we're going into something. I'm assuming this whole arc is gonna be the boat, like the cruise ship, and then it's gonna go back to normal in the next one. But I am loving it so far. This is great. I love seeing Lloyd do everything wrong, which is pretty much what he's doing right now. He's overthinking way too much, and I love to see it because I'm an overthinker too. I overthink about a lot of shit. Not to this extent. He's definitely worse. But it's fun to see. I'm also really excited that we get to see Yor, like, you know, do some, you know, quote unquote work some more. I think that's fun. I love seeing her beat the shit out of people. It's great. Getting flicked with a button and getting knocked out by that is crazy. That's absolutely insane. But yeah, I think that's gonna go ahead and do it for Spy Family today. If you guys enjoyed and you want to see some more, let me know by dropping a like and smashing that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.